Okay, so we're looking at a Lynx fire, Welling Gore fire that someone broke the glass on. Him behind us. That's quite easy. So this is a 10mm. I've got the ratchet to go with it, I'm just saying. And you think this glass is not too short, Sal, because it goes quite a way. Look, there's a gap between it. So what we'll do, just very carefully, remove it. You're better off wearing gloves if you're doing this. Okay. Sneeze at the same time. Sorry, undo these because this is 2 metal strips which holds the glass in. You see? Sorry. And one. They're not in that tight, which they wouldn't think they would be. 2. She's going to be the fun bit because we've got to put it in. What's that? The door come off? It might be easier. There we go. It'll be a little bit easier to put the glass in. So you plug it in a bit. Yeah, I'll do that now. So okay. So keep it. Make sure you got the right one for the right side because it could be a different measurement. Okay, make sure that's in place like that. Don't want to damage it. We've got no spare. Right, so this is the one they sent. I don't think there's an up or a down. There we go. It's a pretty straightforward job, to be honest with you. One inch. Don't over tighten it, there's no need to. Okay, and number 3. That's a little bit tighter. I'm only putting them hand tight because I got them off hand tight, so there's no need to go mad. When the glass is in tight, we can feel there's no play in the glass. Okay, put the door back on. Nice and gently. Right, so if I'm just showing my daughter, and this is not for anybody to be lectured or anything like that, I'm just showing my daughter that if you put bits of cardboard or whatever you've got in the bottom of the tray first before you lit your fire, put it right down at the bottom, okay? Then get your kindling sticks. We're going to put a couple more on because they're a bit short. Okay, you put that on top of your cardboard. You haven't lit it yet, this is not lit in theory, okay? So you just put a few in, just like that. I'm going to put a few more because they're a bit cold at the moment. And then what you would do is you put your logs on top of them, place them as they should be, which will be like, you know, so you've got air going underneath. Alright. Hopefully this will take. I've got a couple of logs on there. And then you would light it. Now you can light it from underneath the tray. By putting the tray out, you can actually put a flame underneath there and light it from there. But as it is, we're going to make sure we've just seen if this will go, okay? So then close the door. Is this your drawer? You're on full drawer now, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so then you'd pull your drawer tray out, which lets more air in underneath, which causes, as you can see, the flame build up. This will ignite your kindling, because once your cardboard's burning, the wood will, if it's dry, will ignite no problem whatsoever. Then once that's lit, that'll burn the bigger logs, then the bigger logs on top of that. And then when you're done, shut down. But at the moment, we want these little beauties to catch fire. And that's it, it's quite straightforward. And there we go. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, a thumbs up and a share. That would be absolutely fantastic. If you didn't like the video, press the dislike button twice. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and we'll catch you in the next video.